Today, I'm going to show you how to edit multi-camera videos in CapCut using a simple workflow that saves a ton of time and makes your edits look smooth and professional. If you've ever recorded with 2 or more cameras, or even just wanted to switch between different angles in a clean way, this method is going to make your life much easier. We'll go step by step through importing your footage, syncing everything, switching angles in real time, and then fixing any mistakes so your final video looks polished. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump into CapCut Desktop. The first thing you want to do is start a new project. Once the project is open, click Import and bring in all of your camera angles. If you recorded external audio, import that too, because having a clean audio track can make syncing much more accurate. After everything is imported, drag your clips down onto the timeline. At this point, don't worry about making it perfect. The goal is just to get all of your footage into the project and lined up so CapCut can analyze it. Now that your clips are on the timeline, the next step is to create your multi-camera clip. Highlight all of the video clips you want to use, then right-click on the selected clips and choose Create Multi-Camera Clip. CapCut will open a dialog box with syncing options. In most cases, you'll want to choose audio or auto, depending on what's available and how your footage was recorded. This is one of the biggest advantages of the multi-camera workflow, because CapCut can automatically align your clips based on the audio waveforms, which saves you from manually matching every cut. Once you click Create, CapCut will process the clips and collapse the stacked tracks into one unified multi-camera compound clip on the timeline. This might look a little different from a normal edit, but that's exactly what you want. It means your different angles are now connected and ready for live switching. If your audio was clear and consistent, the sync should be very close to perfect. If you use multiple cameras for an interview, podcast, reaction video, or event recording, this step is what makes the whole editing process much faster. Now comes the fun part, switching camera angles in real time. Look at the preview window and you should see a split screen view showing your different camera angles side by side. This lets you compare your shots before choosing which one should appear in the final video. Press the spacebar to play your timeline, and while the video is playing, just click on the camera angle you want to switch to in the preview box. Every time you click a different angle, CapCut will automatically create a cut point on the timeline. That means you can build your entire multi-camera edit almost like you're directing the final video live. If you prefer using shortcuts, you can also use your keyboard's number keys, sahis, like 1, 2, or 3 to switch angles instantly. This is especially helpful if you're editing a longer video and want to stay in a rhythm while watching playback. The faster you get with the shortcuts, the quicker your edit will come together. This workflow is great because instead of dragging clips around manually, you're simply choosing the best angle at the best moment. That makes your edit feel more natural, more responsive, and much easier to control. Of course, every edit needs a little fine-tuning, and CapCut gives you that flexibility too. If you switch to the wrong angle by mistake, you do not have to start over. Just click on the sliced clip segment on the timeline, then choose the correct camera angle from the preview panel to swap it. That makes corrections quick and painless. You can also adjust the timing of any cut by hovering over the edit point between 2 clips and dragging it left or right. This lets you retime the switch so it lands exactly where you want it, which is important for keeping your pacing tight and your transitions smooth. A good tip is to make your angle changes match the energy of the conversation or action. For example, use a wide shot when you want context, then switch to a close-up when someone speaks or when the moment becomes more important. That creates a much more engaging final video than leaving the same angle on screen the whole time. It also helps your content feel more professional and keeps viewers watching longer. Once you're happy with the cuts, you can continue polishing the rest of your edit as usual. Add your titles, color adjustments, music, captions, or any other finishing touches you want. The multi-camera workflow is simply there to make the angle switching process faster and cleaner, so you can spend more time improving the overall quality of the video instead of fighting with the timeline. So to recap, the process is really simple. Import your footage, stack your camera angles, create the multi-camera clip, let CapCut sync the audio, switch angles in real time using clicks or number keys, and then fine-tune any wrong cuts or timing issues. Once you get used to this method, editing multi-camera content becomes much easier and a lot more enjoyable. If this video helped you learn something new, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.